Hi guys, welcome to another video from Little to Simple. In the annals of modern business history, few tales rival the awe-inspiring saga of Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, also commonly known as TSMC. Since its inception in 1987, TSMC has transcended the realms of possibility, ascending to the zenith of the semiconductor industry with unparalleled grace and audacity. This video endeavors to encapsulate TSMC's extraordinary journey, a veritable masterpiece of vision, innovation, and unyielding perseverance. The Genesis. TSMC's genesis is rooted in the fertile soil of Taiwan's burgeoning technology sector, where visionary pioneers dared to dream of a future shaped by silicon and ingenuity. Led by the indomitable Morris Chang, TSMC embarked on a daring odyssey, charting uncharted territories and defying conventional wisdom at every turn. With the advent of the fabless business model, TSMC unleashed a tidal wave of disruption, forever altering the course of semiconductor manufacturing and propelling itself to the forefront of the industry. Forging technological titans. At the heart of TSMC's ascent lies its unwavering commitment to technological excellence. Armed with a relentless pursuit of perfection, TSMC's brilliant engineers embarked on a quest for innovation, pushing the boundaries of possibility with each successive breakthrough. From the breathtaking precision of the 7nm node to the awe-inspiring marvels of the 5nm process, TSMC's technological prowess has redefined the very essence of semiconductor manufacturing, setting new standards of performance and efficiency that defy comprehension. Dominance in the arena. TSMC's meteoric rise to dominance is a testament to its unrivaled mastery of the craft and unwavering dedication to excellence. As of 2023, TSMC commands an astonishing 50% share of the global semiconductor foundry market, a towering colossus towering over its rivals with unmatched supremacy. By democratizing access to cutting-edge manufacturing capabilities, TSMC has unleashed a tidal wave of innovation, empowering a legion of trailblazers to realize their wildest dreams and shape the future of technology. Unyielding resilience. Beyond its technological prowess, TSMC's global footprint and unyielding resilience have cemented its status as an indispensable linchpin of the semiconductor supply chain. With fabrication facilities strategically scattered across the globe, TSMC stands as a bastion of stability in a world fraught with uncertainty. Amidst the chaos of the COVID-19 pandemic, TSMC's steadfast resolve ensured the uninterrupted flow of critical semiconductor components, safeguarding the digital heartbeat of the modern world with unwavering grace and poise. Environmental stewardship. Yet, amidst its towering achievements, TSMC remains steadfast in its commitment to environmental stewardship and corporate responsibility. Through the adoption of cutting-edge environmental management systems and energy-efficient manufacturing processes, TSMC has embarked on a noble crusade to minimize its ecological footprint and preserve the sanctity of our planet for future generations. Investments in renewable energy initiatives and green technologies bear testament to TSMC's unwavering dedication to sustainability and the pursuit of a brighter, greener tomorrow. Confronting challenges. However, TSMC's journey has not been without its trials and tribulations. The relentless march of technological progress presents formidable challenges, from the relentless pursuit of miniaturization to the specter of geopolitical strife. Yet, undaunted by adversity, TSMC stands poised to confront these challenges head-on, fueled by a spirit of innovation and an unquenchable thirst for greatness. With each passing day, TSMC reaffirms its status as an unrivaled titan of the industry, forging ahead with unwavering determination and boundless resolve. A bright tomorrow. As the curtain draws on one chapter of its storied saga, TSMC stands on the precipice of an even brighter tomorrow. With the dawn of 5G, IoT, and AI upon the horizon, the demand for semiconductor solutions has never been greater. Armed with a legacy of excellence and a vision for the future, TSMC stands ready to lead the charge into a new era of technological innovation, enriching lives and shaping the destiny of humanity in ways yet unimagined. As the world looks to TSMC for guidance and inspiration, one thing remains abundantly clear: the best is yet to come. TSMC's saga is more than just a business case study. It is a timeless testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity and indomitable spirit of innovation. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global powerhouse, TSMC's journey serves as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring entrepreneurs and industry titans alike. As the world hurtles towards an uncertain future, one thing remains clear: TSMC will continue to stand at the vanguard of innovation, guiding humanity towards a brighter, more prosperous tomorrow. See you all again in the next video, and until next time, have a good one, guys.